Preposition of time. Prepositions of time explanation. Prepositions of time show the relationship of time between the noun, or pronoun, and another word in the sentence. The most common prepositions of time. Preposition. At. Use. Precise time, holidays, festivals. Example. At 5 p.m. at midnight at Christmas. Preposition. On. Use. Specific days and dates. Example. On Monday on July 4th on my birthday. Preposition. In. Use. Months, years, centuries, long periods. Example. In June in 2020 in the morning. Preposition. By. Use. Before a certain time or deadline. Example. By 8 o'clock by next week. Preposition. Until, till. Use. Up to a point in time. Example. Until Friday till midnight. Preposition. Since. Use. From a point in the past until now. Example. Since 2010, since morning. Preposition. For. Use. Duration of time. Example. For 2 hours for a week. Preposition. During. Use. Within a time period or event. Example. During the movie, during lunch. Preposition. From, to. Use. Start and end time. Example. From 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Preposition. Before. Use. Earlier than a point in time. Example. Before dinner, before noon. Preposition. After. Use. Later than a point in time. Example. After school, after the meeting. 100 example sentences using prepositions of time. Using at.
I wake up at 6 a.m. The movie starts at 8:30 p.m. They arrived at midnight. He left at lunchtime. She goes jogging at sunrise. We have a meeting at noon. The party is at Christmas. They got home on the weekend. She was born at the end of the month. I'll see you at dinner.
Using on.
The appointment is on Monday. I met her on Christmas Day. We traveled on New Year's Eve. The exam is on July 10th. They moved in on a rainy day. I always relax on Sundays. She was born on March 1st. We had a picnic on the weekend. He left on my birthday. They got married on a sunny morning.
Using in.
I was born in April. She graduated in 2015. They moved in the 1990s. He likes to read in the morning. We traveled in winter. I'll see you in 5 minutes. It happened in the past. The flowers bloom in spring. He arrived in the evening. We'll visit them in June.
Using by.
Please arrive by 9 a.m. I'll finish this by tomorrow. She should be home by now. He will return by the weekend. They had left by midnight. We need to leave by 5 o'clock. The task must be done by Friday. I'll be ready by lunchtime. She'll arrive by next week. He should be back by then.
Using until till.
I'll wait here until you come. They stayed till the end of the show. Don't leave until the meeting ends. The store is open till 10 p.m. Stay until I get back. He worked until midnight. We talked till dawn. You can play till dinner. Wait here until further notice. She slept until noon.
Using since.
I've lived here since 2005. She's been studying since morning. They've known each other since childhood. I've worked here since June. We've been waiting since noon. He's been sick since yesterday. I haven't seen her since last week. She's been quiet since the meeting. It hasn't rained since Monday. I've been practicing since 10 a.m.
Using for.
I've been here for an hour. She's been working for 3 days. We waited for 30 minutes. He lived in London for 10 years. They talked for hours. I stayed there for a week. She's known him for a long time. I was gone for 2 days. He studied for the entire night. We've been friends for years.
Using during.
He fell asleep during the movie. I stayed awake during the whole class. She called me during lunch. We laughed during the show. They left during the game. It rained during the ceremony. Be quiet during the exam. He was busy during the meeting. They arrived during the performance. She cried during the speech.
Using from to.
I work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. The store is open from Monday to Saturday. She studied from morning to night. The show runs from June to August. They lived there from 2000 to 2010. He travels from city to city. I'll be busy from now to next week. School lasts from September to June. They walked from here to the park. She stayed from noon to 3 p.m.
Using before, after.
I always stretch before exercising. Wash your hands before dinner. She left before noon. They arrived before us. Finish your work before lunch. I went to sleep after the movie. We had dessert after dinner. He came back after 2 days. Call me after the meeting. I'll see you after school.